Hey there, I want to make a quick video explaining how to do some rules of exponent type stuff. So what I have here are three expressions that go from easy, medium, and hard. Now what we're going to do here is take a look at the numbers that we're given. So I have 2x to the third times 2x squared. I'm going to multiply my 2's together, and that's going to give me 4. And then since I'm multiplying bases, I'm going to end up adding the exponent. So it's going to be x to the 5th power. Next, I want to take a look at this medium level problem. Now what's tricky here is that for this one, I'm going to take this squared, I'm going to apply it to the 3x squared and x cubed. And so one way you can kind of think about it is it's going to look like this when it's all said and done. So whoops, let me put that in parentheses, let's square that, and then we'll square that, and then times in parentheses y to the 3rd power, which is also squared. Cool. All right, so now what I've done is I've taken this 2 and I've distributed to all three of those terms. And so I'm now going to replace all these things with more simplified version. So 3 squared becomes 9. I'm going to get rid of the parentheses here. And then when I'm multiplying, when I have a power raised to a power, I multiply the exponents. And so that's going to become, instead of 2, 4. And then this is going to become a 6. I'll get rid of that 2, get rid of the parentheses, and boom, there we go. All right, and then for this one, there are two ways we can go about it. If we want, we can multiply these two numbers together first, and then kind of clean up all the exponents on the inside, and then square it. Or we can distribute the exponent to all of the things. I would prefer to do kind of an order of operations approach and go with what's happening in the middle here. So first of all, let me put this in parentheses and showing that I'm not done squaring. But when I multiply these guys together, I'm going to get 4x to the 5th power, y to the 5th power as well. Now I need to square my 4, and then I'm going to multiply my 5's here by 2. And so I'm going to have y to the 10th, I'll have x to the 10th, and I'll get rid of that. And then 4 squared becomes 16. Now get rid of all my extra parentheses and whatnot, and there we go. And so real quick, I'm going to do another set. But I'm not really going to explain it, I'm just going to kind of make it happen. And let's see if you can follow along. Okay, so I need to clean all this out. I'm going to have 12x to the 7th. Here I have 4 squared, which is 16. And then I'm going to multiply my exponents together to get 6 and 8. Cool. All right. And then let's see here. 3 times 3 is 9. Raise that to the 3rd power is 729. Add my x's together to get x to the 8th. Times that by 3. That's 24. Y. So let's see here. Y cubed times y to the 4th is y to the 7th. Times that by 3. 21. Cool. And so that's how we do some rules of exponents, and we simplify them.